Okay, so we have factoring by greatest common monomial factor. Okay, polynomial, the greatest common factor, and the factored form. For number 1, we have x squared plus 2x. So the greatest common factor here is x. We have x. Then for the factored form, x times, then divide x squared divided by x, that is equal to x, plus 2x divided by x, that is equal to 2. For the second problem, the problem is 5x squared minus 10x cubed. The greatest common factor of 5 and 10 is 5. For the x squared and x cubed is x squared. So we have 5x squared times. So divide 5x squared divided by 5x squared, that is equal to 1, minus 10 divided by 5, that is 2, and x cubed divided by x squared, that is equal to x. For number 3, for 25 and 55, the greatest common factor is 5. Then for the x squared and x, that is x, then y cubed. Okay, so we have 5x y cubed times. So 25 divided by 5, that is equal to 5. X squared divided by x, that is x. Then y cubed divided by y cubed, that is equal to 1. Plus 55 divided by 5 is 11. Then x divided by x, that is equal to 1. So y cubed divided by y cubed, that is also equal to 1. So that is the answer. For number 4, 10 c cubed minus 80 c raised to the power of 5 minus 5 c raised to 6 plus 5 c raised to 7. So for the numerical coefficient, we have the greatest common factor of 10, 85, and 5 is 5. Then for c, that is c cubed. So we have 5 c cubed times 10 c cubed divided by 5 c cubed, that is equal to 2, minus 80 divided by 5, that is equal to 16. And then c raised to 5 divided by c raised to 3, that is equal to c raised to 2, or c squared, minus 5 divided by 5, that is equal to 1. C raised to 6 divided by c raised to 3, that is equal to c raised power of 3, plus 5 divided by 5, that is equal to 1. C raised to 7 divided by c raised to 3, that is equal to c raised to 4. Number 5, for 12, 6, and 3, the greatest common factor is 3. For m raised to 5, m squared, and m, that is m. Then for n squared, n cubed, n, that's n. So we have 3, m, n. Then 12 divided by 3, that is 4. M raised to 5 divided by m, that is m raised to 4. N squared divided by n, that is equal to n. Minus 6 divided by 3, that is equal to 2. Then m squared divided by m, that is equal to m. N cubed divided by n, that is equal to n squared, plus 3mn divided by 3mn, that is equal to 1. Okay. Write a polynomial factor in the blank to complete each statement. Number 1. For 7p squared minus 7p, for 7, the greatest common factor is 7. Then for p squared and p, that is p. Then divide 7 divided by 7, that is equal to 1. P squared divided by p, that is p, minus 7p divided by 7p, that is equal to 1. For number 2, the GCF of 18 and 3 is 3. Then for x, so there's no common, we have y. Then divide, so 18 divided by 3, that is equal to 6. Then copy x, then y divided by y is equal to 1. So plus 3y divided by 3y, that is equal to 1. Next, number 3. For 15, 15, 20, the GCF here is 5. Then for t cubed, t squared, t, that is t. Then divide 15 divided by 5, that is equal to 3. Then t cubed divided by t, that is t squared, minus 15 divided by 5, that is 3. T squared divided by t, that is equal to t, plus 20 divided by 5 is 4. Then t divided by t is equal to 1. Number 4. For 17, 51, 34, the GCF here is 17. Then for x raised to 5, x raised to 4x, GCF is x. Then divide 17 divided by 17, that is equal to 1. X raised to the power of 5 divided by x, that is equal to x raised to 4. Minus 51 divided by 17, that is equal to 3. Then x raised to 4 divided by x, that is x raised to 3. Minus 34 divided by 17, that is equal to 2. Then x divided by x, that is equal to 1. Number 5. 35, 21, and 14. The GCF is 7. Then for x raised to 5, x raised to 4, x to 3, GCF is x raised to 3. Then for y squared, y, and y squared, that is y. Then divide 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. Then x raised to 5 divided by x to 3, that is x squared, or x raised to 2. Then y squared divided by y, that is equal to y. Copy, plus. Then 21 divided by 7, that is equal to 3. Then x raised to 4 divided by x raised to 3, that is x. Y divided by y is equal to 1. Plus 14 divided by 7, that is 2. Then x cubed divided by x cubed is equal to 1. Y squared divided by y is equal to y.